I'm in storage right now, so I'll show you how I take it out of my storage, and then I'm going to put it on the 2 crossbars on the truck cap. Again, I like to keep it low profile. I'll raise it up a little bit just to get the turn out of here. Unlock. This is really sturdy. Always, always, always keep the safety straps on until it is secure on your vehicle, but always keep it on. Now I'm going to have to raise it up, and I'm going to put the 4 risers on. Okay, now when we go to install the tent onto the crossbars, you can take off your brackets. And then once we take off the brackets, we want to add the sliders. Raise it up. Have your sliders aligned with your crossbars. Push in. So now I want to take my risers off. Put my tent bracket back in where you do the adjustment. Have that go towards the outside. Your adjustment goes to the outside. Make sure it's aligned with the crossbar. It's on now here, so I'm going to take off the safety straps. Now I can pull out the Magnum, and now we have to repeat the process for the back side. Then we take off the slider. We take off both sliders on the back, and then we put the 2 clamps on the back with the adjustment facing to the outside. Here's my second bracket. Put that in. Now I have all 4 brackets in with all 4 risers off. So now we can lower our tent. Line up the brackets. Lower your tent. And then you can pull your Magnum out. So your tent's on now just by using the brackets. So that's your install process. Then I'm going to take it back over here. I like to store my truck underneath this to save garage space. It's a tight turn, but it's nice with these wheels. It makes it very space efficient. I'm going to keep it at this height. Lock the brakes. Now, you just go then through your user's manual and whatever rooftop tent you have on how to install the brackets to it. And that's it.